Here's how to file taxes on TurboTax Free. So there is a TurboTax Free Edition. To get to that free edition, if you've already started your taxes, you're going to have to downgrade or you're going to have to clear and start over. Or you might already be on the free edition. To check, go up to the price preview up here and then see if it says $0. If it does, then you are on the do-it-yourself free edition. If it has any charges over here, then you're not on the free edition. You go down to the lower left to switch your product and either downgrade. You can downgrade to free, or you might not have that option if you're on one of the live assisted mode type products. So you'll have to clear and start over. And if you're just beginning this, the clear and start over gets everyone back to square one. So we're going to go to the very beginning. So if you haven't even started your taxes, then this will apply to you. So we're clearing, we're going back to the very beginning, and I'll show you how to file on TurboTax Free, which is the TurboTax Free Edition. So we start here, we say got it, and then this next section is just to recommend you products. So you don't check mark anything, skip this section, hit continue, and then say you're comfortable filing on your own, and then hit continue again. You can always upgrade. TurboTax will never not let you upgrade to any of these other modes, but it will recommend this do-it-yourself, free, state included, simple Form 1040 return. And so you can start for $0, even if you know you're going to have other tax situations that require upgrading. TurboTax will tell you at that point in time you should upgrade, and then you can just keep going. And so we can start for $0. There's about 37%, they say, of people that can file for free. And so then you fill out the next question that applies to you. In my case, I did file my own taxes, so I just put that in there, hit continue, and then it's going to start you on your tax journey here. And so TurboTax does a great job of taking you through step by step. I've used it for over 10 years, and I always file my taxes through them, and it's a really easy process, even if you don't know anything about this. You basically just read and follow the directions. It says, hi, let's finish your taxes. And then it says, my personal info, continue filing. So you just continue on, and that's going to take you through this step-by-step process over here on the left-hand side. And each of these different things, like my info, is going to be filling out your information. It's going to have even more sections. It's not just this page. There will be more to it, but you fill out your personal information, and then you go through your federal taxes, your state taxes, you review everything, and then you finish and file. And on the federal and on the state, you're going to have like wages and income, you're going to have deductions and credits. So all these sections will be guided for you. TurboTax is going to ask you questions, and you just answer what applies to you. And then once you get through all that, you can finish and file. Now, if you do have to upgrade at some point, I actually have a link in the description or the pinned comment that saves you 20% on anything you have to pay on the TurboTax products. That's an affiliate link, and it helps support this channel, but it also gets you 20% off if you do have to pay. So you could start through there, create an account, or just sign in, and then you're going to have basically, I guess, that coupon in there to save you on anything you do have to pay. But hopefully you're one of the 37%, they say, can file for free. And that's how you can file taxes on TurboTax Free.